Picture mo doon. Ay! Hello you guys, good afternoon. So andito kami sa park. Naghintay kami ng ng friend ko kasi on the way sila dito. They're on the way here. Over there. They have to go around. Popeyes. She excited for the chicken. So Belma ordered a Vietnamese restaurant soup. Ito show you guys. Then chicken.
Break it.
You don't break it because we can reuse the one again. Nami hand sanitizer dai.
Oh, makadaot na.
Makadaot.
May maghugas ng kamot.
Grabe oh, social. Social, nagdala og kuan panghugas gid tubig.
Yeah.
Ito. Hi Tim.
Here's the napkin.
How are you doing?
Here's we got napkin and a bowl right there.
Picnic.
Fantastic.
Wala na ako gikuha dai kay mas makasab-an ko. Hen. Ayuda ni ni Inday Belma. Nagdala pa oh. Digin malimtan ang rice.
Get the rice.
Yeah, cannot forget the rice.
What here? Ellen, we got one soup right there.
Oh,
Untay sa isa kamot. Sabaw, open.
Open that.
Nagay ko kayo
I'll
dito.
take my picture. I'm not for Facebook.
No, I got the food. See, kasaban jud ko.
Zuckerberg watching me. I'm sorry. I need to move.
No, you're fine.
No. Wash your hands and get ready the
My
plate.
hands are clean. Using it when sanitize wipes.
Put the soup right there,
If I
Dai.
sanitize wipes on my hands, I
Mix the soup. What's
Oh,
the
wind
chocolate?
blowing.
O sige day, kay tugnaw day.
Oh, Lord, here goes the wind.
Yeah, flying. Pagkain day.
Guess what some of these are good.
Oh.
Soup.
Like a Jollibee. Look at
That's
this.
fine.
Dera dayo banta day kay kasaban ta ni
Rice.
manong. You want a rice?
Oh, sige Dai.
Cute king rice cooker.
Lagi. Here's one.
Did you wash your hands day?
Yeah. You did? Have a soup right there.
Open it over there. Tim, here's the
Your tacos. Yeah. Do I fix your soup or later?
Oh, yeah, I can take a little bit.
Are you sure?
A little
rice. Manong. Gutom gyud na day da.
Lagi. Ako kuan na unahon sa
Tacos. Where did you get these tacos?
Morelos.
Marvelous. Look good. Unsa anik-anik
Hi,
na to?
vlog.
Hi vlog. Mga on me.
Wanna be in a vlog?
This is our we order.
Asking,
Yan.
it's a question.
Sagot.
I-open sa nato Dai.
Sige, ana siya oh. Okay ra ka day, makuha day.
Okay ra Dai. Sprite.
That's Amay Bisaya introducing. Okay, sure. What's yours? It's a monster. Monster. So this one.
Toyo.
Toyo-toyo.
Gabutangan ba yung mga papel ni tanan?
I don't know. This one.
This one dahil shrimp. What the heck? Why you looking?
Ready.
Nagkurog.
It's cold. Here. No, we open. This is yours. I'm sorry, I open yours. Here you go.
I open yours.
I open yours.
We put the food in here. Here in the bag. Oh, yung cochino. Uy, kabayo ka.
I'm the one who doing it. That's why.
Okay na na, day. Mga una ta?
Kaon na. Let's dig in.
I-video sana imong vlog.
Sino okay na oy, ayun ang iyak kay privacy. So guys, we're gonna open our order today. Tumating na siya. So ano siya na what is that? Oh shit. Oh, I think that's mine. Okay. And that's yours. That's your shirt. Oh wow! Just put the one there, babe, because we're gonna wash it. Okay, this is mine.
This is yours?
I don't know. Open it because I cannot tell. This is mine.
I think it is.
It is?
I don't know. I ain't about a shirt.
Okay. What is that? Is that yours?
No.
No, your glasses, oy.
Oh yeah. Hold on.
Yeah. Oh, they have a holder. Do you like it?
Yeah.
I think that's it. Yours?
Yeah. Oh, and this.
Okay. Okay, that's all my daughter stuff and my turn. So guys, now I'm gonna start open mine. I think I have few here. So I forgot what I got. So let's start on this kasi na-open na ni anak. And this one, I order on this black top that has you know yung adjusting dito sa side by side. Yan siya. I'm excited.
No, it's great.
I don't
Wash
know.
them.
Huh?
Wash them.
Yeah, I'm gonna wash them. And then this one, it's leggings. I'm so glad I got the medium because they're tiny. I don't want period like so tight on my body. So ito siya, you guys. And then the back, it's just black. Basic black. And this
Man, I
one.
wish I got a bigger size.
Oh, this one. Green. So, I order a lot yung pang taas. Kasi pwede naman magagamit siya ng shirt at saka t-shirt. Wow, ang laki nito. Yan, dito siya you guys. Ang laki. Yung t-shirt lang siya pang ano, pang exercise. Ang kinuha ko kasi is medium white. Next one is another white. I don't know you guys, but mahilig ako sa black and white. Pero black is not really my favorite. Kasi ano lang, gusto ko lang yung ano. At ito siya, puti din, na may ano siya dito sa harap design na ganito. So, ito yung ano you guys, parang pang arms. Dito siya i-tight pag gusto mong mag-exercise. Ito. Buksan ko kung anong hitsura niya. Pero magkatulad lang sila. Ito siya. Oh, ang laki niya you guys. Dito siya i-tight sa arm mo para mag-sweat. I have 4 more to go. And this one, another t-shirt. Sabi ko na nga eh, t-shirt lahat eh. Ooh, look at this. Then I have shorts and yung ano niya, belt. Kasama. Okay, then another leggings you guys. It look like also the one I show you. Pero ito ay mahaba dito. So, ganito lang siya you guys. Hindi ko pa siya matry kasi kailangan ko pa siyang labhan. And I keep the bag just in case that if something we need to return. So, the last one ay itong pants. Ganito siya you guys. High-waisted din siya. So yan lang short haul kasi pabilisan. Kailangan pa namin yun siya labhan you guys. At saka linisin.